You guys, I was not filming that because we almost died. It's supposed to be vacation. You're getting shit in my eyes, and you're gonna give me a fucking heart attack. I feel like I just went off the cliff. Don't fucking laugh. You were stressed out too. God damn it, Ian. But you know what? I need a fucking drink. Yes, this is sober meat, and I'm not happy.
You know this GoPro's only on so you can't freak out at me.
This is me freaking out at you. I'm not getting back in there. You fucking drive.
The trick to a successful marriage is communication. And sometimes you need time apart. I did almost roll us off a cliff, but it ended up being fine. And the moral of the story there is, don't count your chickens if you're in a glass house. She's yelling at me now.
Look at how mad she is. She's so cute when she's mad though. Oh.
All right, we left King of the Hammers yesterday, got into Hurricane Utah, and doing Sand Hollow today. This is our first time here, and it's freaking gorgeous. It's a little windy, a little chilly, but can't beat this.
This was such an unbelievable trip for us. I'm still kind of amazed that we actually pulled it off. There's going to be a part 2 and 3 to this video, and I hope you guys dig these as much as we did. The crawling in Utah is super weird because the rocks are so sticky that you can pretty much climb up a vertical wall, and unlike what we're used to, it doesn't really take any wheel speed, and you pretty much don't have to whiskey throttle anything. It's so beautiful out here too. It's absolutely stunning. Pretty much every turn looks like a postcard. We started this trip in Johnson Valley at King of the Hammers, where we pitted for the Everyman Challenge, and then we spent a couple days just kind of driving around, welding some trucks together, and hanging out with all our friends. Towards the beginning of this trip, we started to get a really weird sound coming from the power steering. It was like this crazy squeal happening anytime you tried to steer hard. It took me a while to figure out what it was, but I think now that we're home, I finally got it.
It's just the trail gear pump is totally jacked up.
Yeah.
I think it's brand new, dude. And you know what? We're on our second steering box from that one. I already did one now too.
I know.
And the trail gear U-joints.
Yep.
I ran 4 trail gear parts on the truck. All of them have broken within 500 miles. It's crazy.
You got it?
I got it, yeah.
Okay. Try it. All right, that helped a lot. Maybe we should move them back up and try again? Okay, hang on. That actually did help. The back end is just so easy. Yeah, we can do this little by little. Nice. Get back. Do it again. That got you far this time. Yeah.
Are both rear tires spinning or only one?
Well, this one is. I'll check the other one.
Well, so what happened, babe?
What fucking happened?
Yeah.
Again.
Round 2. Oh, Moosies. You're so pouty, buddy. It's okay. You're a good boy. Little stuck on the side of this hill. This is a cliff. Probably hard to tell in the video, but here. This is a pretty good decline. And then we got this. This doesn't look like a cliff in the video. It's a fucking angle of the lens. Anyways, it goes straight down. I can't even walk up it. You think we'll get out this time?
Yeah. I don't know. Might take a couple more times.
I think this time and then one more time we'll do it.
Yeah. Once we're up there, then we're fine.
Yeah.
It's just you can't let these sink in when you keep going. You just stop at the right time. We'll just keep resetting.
Yeah. I shouldn't have tried to go this far, actually. That was awesome. Fuck yeah. These things work.
All right, I'm really glad we have these.
Fuck. I felt like a retard for bringing these, but now. That was rad, dude.
Well, we're not out yet. That's really high. Are you gonna be able to close that? Oh, it's getting caught on the mud flaps. Speaking of dumb problems. CrossFit! Fuck, I'm eating so much sand.
Dying.
Okay.
Ew.
Let's get out of here.
What do you think? Up to the right or out the canyon?
Dude, I don't know.
Oh, geez, Louise. Oh, we're in high. Or low high. Which is also just low. Shit, that was a little tippy too.
I know.
Little tippy Tuesday! Hold on!
Break the dog out.
Oh, sorry, Moose. You're a good boy.
Jesus. Oh my god. That's great.
Oh my fucking god.
Is this the trail?
I don't think so. We should have gone down there.
Yeah, you're fine. Just go ahead, I'll watch. So far, so good. Yeah, you're out, you're fine. I don't fucking take this anymore.
Oh geez, everybody. Oh geez. So we got an Airbnb, 60-mile-an-hour gusts. We're totally over it. I just mixed a little bit of JB Weld on top of a Girl Scout cookie tray.
Oh, you're ordering a pump?
Yeah, man, our buddy Cameron at Poly Performance is so nice to us always. He called PSC for us to see if they had any of their old part number pumps laying around we could buy. I think we got one coming to us, which would be great. Replace this Trail Gear one. This Airbnb is so nice. Oh my God, and it's so cheap. This is like so fancy for us. Yeah, Moose does have his own bedroom, of course. Look at him, he's like, what is it? I'm outside by myself. Yeah, man, I'm totally into this. This is our kind of camping, dude. Fuck, actually camping. We needed this though, bad. I was so dirty.
King of the Hammers was rough. Then we went to Sand Hollow and got covered in sand.
Dude, 60-mile-an-hour gusts on a sand dune? Yeah. Not awesome.
Not great for rides.
He's so cute. Look at how cute he was. He's the best puppies. Look at this slobber though, dude. Fucking nailed me. Moose, come here. Gross. So yeah, we're gonna fix that and go. Another thing we really should do, swap out these springs. These things are about to break. Just JB welded the Pitman arm on, so fuck it. I think it'll be all right. Today is a road day.
Yeah,
pretty
it's gonna
much.
be a nice, easy drive.
Yes.
Not tippy.
Nope, maybe. I gotta hit the tires up still. And I think I'm gonna bust out the grinder and maybe flappy a little bit off the frame where it was hitting before, in case it gets loose again.
Where the pivot arm is?
Yeah. Cool, that should be mint. As good as things get, pretty much. Oh, not good by people's standards. All right, all right. Come on, look at how stoked he is to go inside. Look at him go. Moose, you are the worst adventure dog possibly on the planet.
It's okay. I love you.
Yeah, you're a good boy though.
I've been so turned off by most of the national parks because of the insane crowds that they bring in, which is partially because of social media, and it's kind of a bummer, but it's really cool to see people going outside at the same time. Brittany had never seen Zion at all, and just being able to like watch her face as we drive through it was so cool for me. I think people try and pigeonhole us into something, and they want to say like, oh, we're just rock crawlers, or oh, we just shitpost on Instagram. But really, before I broke my back and my shoulder overseas, I love backpacking and hiking through these kinds of areas, and so this is just a continuation of what I used to love to do.
Just finished driving through Zion, now headed to Bryce Canyon. Truck's doing great, sorta. Has the same problems, but they haven't gotten any worse. So we'll hit up Bryce Canyon real quick and then shoot all the way out to Moab. I think we'll spend a couple days there. What do you think?
Yep. In the meantime, we're gonna enjoy these views.
It's nice.
It is really neat to see this with snow.
It's pretty cool.
Pretty cool. Took a quick detour on our way to Moab, but it's totally worth it. We left Bryce Canyon and headed back on the highway going to Moab. We took the long way there because we knew we'd be running into some really scenic views, and we really had no idea what was in store. We were blown away every turn we made. And we were racing the sun. We had all day to get there. And of course, you know, we had to do a little bit of work on the truck in the morning, so had kind of a late start, but we still couldn't help ourselves from stopping and looking at the views. There was so much we wanted to see before the sun went down, and we did the best we could and still enjoyed it on the way there. There was a few steering problems we still had to deal with, but we knew there would be a pump waiting for us in Moab, and we had so many trails to explore once we got there.
Next time on Wheel Every Weekend.
Just ruined our overnighted pump. I am quite possibly the world's dumbest man. You can hear the radiator leaking. This truck is such a pile right now, dude. Fix the problem that wasn't the problem. Well, I have some hella ones. Ah! Did you see that?
You can't rush these things. You of all people know that.
I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. In case that isn't blaringly obvious for everyone. Shit. Yeah.